welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna share you how to write a job application letter, especially in English. Before we move on to the video, please like this video, leave your comment below, subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share it. Okay, in writing a job application letter, it's very different from a quick email to a friend, and it is more formal. You have to select it in choosing right and appropriate vocabulary. Moreover, you have to understand the format or template that might be different with the job application letter in your country. And now I'm gonna share you the guidelines in writing a job application letter, especially in English. Let's start it from format and margins. First one, length. A letter of application should be no more than 1 page long. Remember, no more than 1 page long. Second one, page margin. In page margin, there are two parts. The first one is a letter of application should be single space. Second one is align your text to the left. Third one is font. In font, there are two parts. The first one is use a traditional font such as Times New Roman, Arial, and Calibri. And the second one is the font size should be between 10 and 12 points. Do you understand enough? It will be better for you if you practice while you are watching this video. Let me move on to the next section. And now we discuss about what to include in each section of the letter. In this section, there are 5 steps. Those are heading, salutation, body of letter, complimentary clause, and the last one is signature. Let's discuss it one by one. The first one is heading. In heading, a letter of application should begin with both you and the employer's contact information, such as name, address, phone number, email, and don't forget, followed by the date. Second one, salutation. This is your polite greeting, and the most common salutation is Dear Mr. or Mrs. and followed by the person's last name. Third one, body of letter. Think of this section as being 3 distinct parts. In the first paragraph, you'll want to mention the job you are applying for and where you show the job listing. The next paragraphs are the most important part of your letter. Remember how you gather all that information about what employers were seeking and how you could meet their needs. And the third and last of the body letter will be your thank you to the employer. You can also follow up the information. Complimentary clause. This is the fourth one. Complimentary clause. Sign off your email with a polite clause such as best or sincerely and followed by your name. And the last one is signature. That is all my explanation about how to write a job application letter in English. I hope this video is useful for you, and I hope you enjoy this video. And thank you for watching. Bye.